Dear students, now we will start with the third part of Unit 2, that is data sufficiency. So this section consists of problems in which a question on any topic, that topic may be coding, decoding, puzzle test, blood relations, mathematical calculation, is put forward, followed by a certain statement containing facts providing clues to solve the question. So we have to require to find out which of the given statements is or are sufficient to answer the questions. Okay, so we have given two statements. We have to find out which statement is sufficient or both the statements are sufficient. Okay, so now we will solve examples. First example is, out of 6 lecture of 1 hour each, A, B, C, D, E and F scheduled between 10 am to 4 am, which one will be third? And the given statements are, lecture F is preceded by A and is followed by C. And second statement given is, there is only one lecture before A and there is no lecture after B. So here from the first statement we can conclude that the lecture sequence is A, F, C. First lecture is A, second is F and third is C. And second given statement is, there is only one lecture before A, means there is again one lecture before A. So the third lecture we have asked, the third lecture is F. Okay, so here both the statements are necessary, so we can conclude that both 1 and 2 are required to answer the given questions. Okay, so now we will start with the exercise. So here we have given the two statements for 1 and 2. So we have to decide if the information given in the statement is sufficient for answering the problem, and we have to give the answer as if the data in statement 1 alone are sufficient to answer the question. B, if the data in the statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the questions. Third is, if the data in either 1 or 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question. If the data even in both the statements together are not sufficient to answer the questions, in that case we have to give the answer D. And E, if the data in both the statements together are needed. Okay, so we will solve example. What is Reena's rank in the class? The given statements are, there are 26 students in the class, and second statement is, there are 9 students who have scored less than Reema. Okay, so from 1 and 2 we can conclude that there are 16 students above Reema in the rank. So thus Reena's rank is 70. So both the statements are necessary to answer the question. So here we can give the answer as E. Second question is, who is the father of M? Given statements are, A and B are brothers, B's wife is the sister of M's wife. Okay, so here from 2 we can conclude that B is the brother-in-law of M. B is the brother-in-law of M. Okay, but from the first and second statement we cannot conclude who is the father of M. Okay, so here the answer is D. Both the statements are not sufficient to answer the question. Next is, what day is the 14th of given month? Okay, statements given are, the last day of the month is a Wednesday. The third Saturday of the month was 17th. As the third Saturday of the month is 17th day, so the 14th day means for 16, 15 and 14. This is Saturday, Friday, Thursday and Wednesday. So the answer is Wednesday. So only the second statement is necessary. So the answer is B. Fourth question is, among four friends A, B, C and D, who is the heaviest? Okay, first statement given is, B is heavier than A but lighter than D. Okay, so the heavier is D, B, A. Okay, is higher, heaviest, this is lesser, and C is lighter than B, means C is lighter than B. So we can conclude that D is the heaviest. So here both the statements are necessary. So the answer is E here. Okay, so likewise we have to find out the answer, and for finding out the answer which statements are sufficient, that we have to find and give the answer. Okay, so thank you so much.